Hello learners, again we are now on the Math Easy channel, and let's proceed now to the next video lesson or video exercises that we have, and that is let R and S be the roots of the equation 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 equals 0. What is the value of 1 over R plus 1 over S? Okay, hold on, just keep on watching. Okay, here are the tips on how to deal with this kind of video lesson. Here are the solution on this given problem. So let's recap first the Vieta's formula that we have, and given the two roots of the quadratic equation with the standard form given by ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the two identities given, we have here the sum of the two roots is just the same with this one here is just equal to negative b over a, and its product of the two given roots is c over a with regards to the given quadratic equation. From the given, which is 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. So our a value here is 5. Our a value here is rather 3. Our b value here is 5, and the c value here is negative 7. From a, b, and c with the in the given quadratic equation 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0. Then in which as far as we know from the given formula that we have, if we cater with the sum of the two roots given by the r1 and r2, so as we replace this one, since it is equivalent to negative b over a from the quadratic standard form of the quadratic equation, so we have now replaced the value of b and a by 5 and 3. So negative 5 over 3 for the sum of the two roots given by the r and s, and its product of the two roots given by rs, which is negative c over a. So since c is negative 7 over 3, which is a, so the product now is negative 7 over 3. Now as we compute the sum of the reciprocal of two given roots, 1 over r plus 1 over s is equal to s plus r with the least common denominator of r, which is rs. So r s over r all over rs. So since commutative holds in the addition, so from s plus r it became now r plus s all over rs. So since the r plus s is given by negative 5/3, so replace that one now. So we have now our numerator, which is equivalent to negative 5/3, while the product is negative 7/3. So all over negative 7 over thirds. So at the numerator, having the denominator contained with the fraction, same as with the numerator that we have is also contained with the fraction. So the denominator of a big fraction is we are going to get the reciprocal. So negative over negative, and that is positive. So copy the 5/3. Then reciprocal is at least 3 over 7. Then after which we're going to cancel. Then 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. So therefore the sum of the reciprocal of two given roots, which is 1 over r plus 1 over s, is equal to 5 over 7. So this is now the answer in dealing with this kind of problem. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to keep on watching as we go through with the future lesson by following my YouTube channel and subscribe it, and don't forget to have a notification bell, and then you have to like, share, and follow my YouTube channel and my Facebook channel rather, which is still the same with Humble Math Easy. So goodbye for now, and see you next video.